On the 13th of July 2022, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, had attended the conference with Deputy Commissioners and Sub-Divisional Officers Civil at the State Convention Centre in Shillong. During the conference, the DCs had given presentations on the way forward post the recent natural calamities to ensure rapid response as far as delivery of relief to the affected people is concerned. Addressing media persons after the conference, Conrad Sangma informed that the state government will be taking up the repair of damages in the districts, especially of the roads, and will continue to support the districts and work together with the deputy commissioners to ensure things return to normalcy. In the conference with Deputy Commissioners and SDOs Civil in Shillong, senior officials also gave presentations on the implementation of various programs of the government related to the Education Department and the Focus Program to encourage better performance of all districts and to further extend the benefits of these grassroots interventions.
In fact, in the DC's conference, we had started several online services we had launched today. Some of them are as follows. We have started the CM's welfare scheme, so the direct benefit transfer for PWDs. This has been made online, and so most of the PWDs and the beneficiaries will be able to get updates and information about their amounts that are supposed to be transferred to them online on an online basis. We also have started the submission of annual property returns by the NCS and the NPS officers that has been launched today in the DC's conference. We also had started the citizens service for ration card. This also has been put online. We have also started the online bookings for tickets on MTC. So this also has started today. What was the first one? Yeah, and we have also started the National Generic Document Registration System. Also has been launched. These are the 5 online services that we launched today. As you're aware, the effort of the government has been to make as many of these services online as possible, and it's part of our e-governance endeavor to make services to the public easily accessible. So in that, with that objective and mission, these 5 new services, or these 5 services are started, have been launched online today.